Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use your own images in Canva. To get started, first you're going to upload an image. So go to your left panel, go to uploads, and from here you want to select upload files. This will take you into your computer and you will choose an image. Then you select open. The photo is now there in the uploads tab. Next, what you want to do is select the photo, or in some cases you can also drag the photo onto your page. Now that it is on, you can resize or reposition the photo. And the quickest way to do this, if you remember, is to two-finger click on your mouse pad and set to background if that is what you desire. Next is to edit the photo if you wish. So you will select the image, then go to your toolbar and select edit. And here it will take you to a lot of features that you can use, such as the filters, effects, and you can make any adjustments that you would like to this image. And lastly, you can go and organize your uploads. Canva, as you can see, already automatically saves your uploads in the uploads panel, so you can reuse them for future projects. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.